All right, everyone, this is the third day of this training, or this might be the third video, which is the last video, where I'm going to actually teach you how to run ads that clicks to WhatsApp. So the first video was on introduction to WhatsApp for Business generally. The second video, we try to create audience from our Facebook audience insight to actually have our own audience research. And right now, I'm going to work on creating the ad proper. And the ad is going to be about a product, two products here, basically. And it's just a kind of reminder that the company is still opening for order. The company is still opening for order of products and services. And people can still actually place order. So that's just what this is going to be. So quickly, I'm going to share my screen. So we know what Facebook Ads Manager is right now. So I'm going to share my screen, Facebook Ad Manager Direct. Right. So this is Facebook Ads Manager. Okay. And from Facebook Ads Manager, all you just have to do is to click Create. Once you click Create here on Facebook Manager, the next thing you need to do, so I'm not doing this, I'm starting all over from that. The next thing you need to do is to actually go to message objective under consideration, which is very good for WhatsApp. And once you click date, you scroll, you give it an ad. I call this guy still order or open order. All right. So, and I'm going to test for audiences. So you can test, you might not test, but want to test for audiences. So because ad, it's a matter of test, and see what you want to test. So on the variable here, I'm going to test for audiences. So we created 2 audiences yesterday from Lagos, from Abuja, and also from Owerri too. So I'm going to create for just 2 audiences. You can also test for creative. Creative simply means what picture or videos that resonate better with the people that are viewing the ads. So I'll test for audience and I'll say continue. And from that, then because I've not actually added, I decided not to add WhatsApp for Business to this number, to this, so that you get to know how to actually add the number. So because of that, what I'm going to do that right now. So once I click the WhatsApp from the message here, as I click the WhatsApp, right? And I'll select the page. The page is new live startup. That's what I want to show on the ad. So you can see now, because there's no WhatsApp for Business number that is connected to this. So right now I'm going to type the WhatsApp for Business number. So I assume that you don't also have the WhatsApp for Business number connected to this already. Once you do this once, anytime you want to run ads, it's automatically there for you. So I'll just write the number 928849733. Okay, so I'll click this now. So there will be a code that should send to this WhatsApp for Business. I just received this right now. So I'll type 12944. You will receive it on the WhatsApp for Business account. And this is just the way to link WhatsApp for Business to your Facebook page, which I just did now. So now we can move on. So I have this. I have it on this. This is the page that I want to use to run the WhatsApp for Business app. Then we are testing for audiences. Then so because we created the audience yesterday, so here now, instead of trying to select Nigeria or this the location, the age, the targeting detail, which we have already done from audience insight yesterday. So I'll just click here now and select those categories. Can you see I call it 3 class, 25 to 50, emo. Then I also have 3 class, 25 to 60. This is men and women. Men will do. This is 25 to 35 Port Harcourt. This is 25 to 35 Abuja. So I will just click, let's start with Port Harcourt. Okay, that's our first audiences, right? I'll select the another one I want to test for. And say Imo, right? Another one that I want to test for. I can test for as many as possible. I want to test for Lagos too, 25 to 30 Lagos. And I want to test for, I guess, Abuja, right? So these are different audiences that I want to test for. We can test, as you can see, as many as possible. We want to test for 4 different audiences. This location, only women within this age bracket, only men and women, I guess. It's women and women. And this is only men. So for this Imo, let me see other age bracket that's even much higher. Okay. So I have some that I have before here. So I'm just trying to see if I have one long age bracket for Lagos, 35 to 45. Lagos, women, then 25 to 45, 30 to 45. So let's go with this. Let's go with this. I actually want to change one for Lagos and try to see this age bracket. It's not something. Okay. Better still, I can test for more. Better still. Okay. So let me select another Lagos in that category, not 20 to 35 again. I want something beyond that. Okay. Now better choose this Abuja. 20 for this Abuja. Now better choose what do I have there? I think I have 20 something. 22 to 40. Yeah. So this is large. Okay, 20 to 40. And this Lagos. So let me check the Port Harcourt again. Port Harcourt, so 5 to 35. Let's see, we have another Port Harcourt here that has a long range. This is like both male and female. What's up? Okay, but I couldn't get to understand. I didn't name that properly. You see why you need to name your audiences properly. So here, this is cool. But this email is too good. Yeah. Email, yes, yes, yes. I have some of the taking this out. Good. Lagos, I will prefer Lagos as beyond 35. Yeah. Right? So I will, at this point, I will prefer Lagos, Lagos that is beyond 35 for selection. This Lagos is just 25 to 30. So welcome Loretta. So I will check Lagos that is much more than 30. So let me see. Lagos 25 to 35. Let me see. I have something to 45 for Lagos. These are different audiences that we created yesterday. So I think what I have here is 5 to 34, 35 to 45. Right. Have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 different kinds of audiences. All created yesterday from audience inside by making your that we created yesterday. So all you have so again you can rewatch the replay. Uh, so basically I'm testing for 4 audiences. Testing for Port Harcourt, Women, Imo, Lagos, and Abuja. So right now, uh, I've connected the WhatsApp. So when you watch the video, you see how I connect the WhatsApp number there, right? So move forward here. So I want Facebook to bid the proper lowest cost bid for me. I can decide to say, oh, Facebook start from 65 naira, but I want something that will give us optimal delivery. So I would like Facebook to charge me what is proper for that. Then standard delivery simply means Facebook should not rush my money, be it as good. So we also have accelerated simply means you want Facebook to finish your money quickly. So I don't want to do daily budget. I want to do lifetime budget. So for example, now if I want to run this for 4 days, I can run for 3 days, 1 day, but I will not advise anyone to run for 1 day. 1 day. Like I told you yesterday, allow the ads to learn from your ads. Allow Facebook ad manager to actually learn from your ads. So I will say 4 days, and these 4 days, because I have so many splits, the system says 33,000, but I can say no with power of 72. Because I can say no, give me 10,000, let me do 10,000. So this might reach to around 62 or something. Yeah. So I can decide to, I'm trying to see if I can remove one. Okay. Yeah. I'm trying to see if I can remove one of the, anyway, there's no need to remove one of the audiences because that also depends on the charge. But I want this to get to at least 65. Let me try 2,000 naira there. Yeah, correct. Right? 2,000 naira. Then I'll say next. Okay. So next now, I've already prepared the hard copy. Hard copy is description. Okay. So still, I'm naming this admin. I'm still open for order. So I just want to remind the customer, this page has both Facebook and Instagram. So I just want to, if it doesn't have Instagram, you will not see the Instagram page there. If you are not yet into link both, you see the Facebook, but because the ad will still display to people on Instagram, it's a as placement. So now I want to use, I don't want to use single image, I don't want to use single video, I want to use slideshow. Why am I using slideshow? Because of the people that they don't have good network, slideshow is more lighter than using video, right? So I'll do create slideshow. So I already have the product that I want to advertise that uh, we still do order for our clients so that they will know instead, even in the lockdown. Then these are different templates ready from Facebook video creation kits already. So you can see this one, 2 to 5 image for 6 seconds, 1 to 6 image for 15 seconds. You have another one here, uh, 4 to 7 images for 7 seconds. I always like this one because it's short and people's attention span is always short and people have a lot of things to consume on internet. So once they just see it flash, like, oh, they want to see the first 3 seconds, you cannot catch people's attention, you might actually lose them. So let's see if I can use, I would have loved to use this 6 seconds, but I'm trying to look at this 15 seconds. If it's not too, so let's do this 15 seconds. The last class I did this 6 seconds. So let's see this other one, 15 seconds for up to 1 to 6 images. So let's see what we have here. So I've selected it. So we have vertical template of square. So I've selected the square. So once I select that, I will click continue. So as I click continue now, these are the images here ready. So I've seen 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, scene 5, scene 6, right? So you have all this. Should the case my internet disconnect, just wait. I will connect another one. So I'm just trying to be prepared in case something like that happens. Yeah. So on the first scene here, I will put the first image, second image, third image, like that. Okay, and sticker. So the first image I want to show, I will click and browse. I guess this internet is going down to the that's okay. So let me try to switch to my another device. I hope you will not disturb it. I'm currently on Wi-Fi, so I'm trying to see if I can switch to my mobile data. Okay. So it is not. Let me go back to Wi-Fi if it is not. No, I need to manage it. So now, these are some other things that I already have there. Yeah. Like I said it's my log off. Okay, like it's good to anticipate stuff like that. So here now, I'll go to the file where I've already organized all the products. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So these are the images that I want to use. So I'm uploading it to the Facebook Ads Manager right now. So I'm uploading it to the Facebook Ads Manager right now. Let's allow it to upload. So once it's finished uploading, I will click. So it's still uploading. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, the first one I want to display is this one. I said yes. Okay, I'm selecting it. So this one said yes, we are still open. We still take order. That's the first one. I'll come and crop them later. So let me just select this image. The second one, the first product I want it to display. The third one, I want the second product to display. Right? Next, I want the third product to display. Okay. And lastly, I want shop with us online to display. Right? So we have yes, we still take order, the first product, second product, the third product, and online. Then here sticker, right? So I can select the sticker. The sticker can be shop now or something. So I can select the sticker. These are different sticker. Let me see, best deal season, best deal of the season. No, free shipping. No, we don't do, we do free shipping for a certain item of product. So I will do that. So I say shop now. Right. Shop now might be the best for that. So this sticker will show them this internet is still getting somehow frustrating, but we'll do this. So I didn't switch to my mobile network the other time, like I said. I want to switch to it, but it's not switching very fast, and I don't want to miss this connection. So I will try to do that now because I believe my mobile network is more faster than what the Wi-Fi is actually pulling right now. So what I will do, I will still try to make attempt to connect to my mobile data back from the Wi-Fi. So it's possible like disconnect you and still connect back because I want this to be speed and we get it done. So I'm doing that right now. So I'm doing that right now. Yeah, that's connect. Okay. So I also want to be at the last. Okay, so the only reason why I don't like using mobile network is in case somebody want to call and to not break down. So this is first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So for the first one, I don't have a label for it. For the second one, I might want to put the amount, right, for the product. So I think that second product is actually for vitality. So I'll put the amount for the product there. The reason why I'm having this amount is people that will be saying how much, yeah. So that's why, right? So the third product is the vitality. So I already have all these amounts set somewhere, so I'm just copying and pasting. Then the fourth product, the third product, I mean, no, there shouldn't be anything in this first one. In the second one, yes, I have this. Yes, yes, correct. I have this, right? So I have all this right now. So what I will need to do is to actually click continue. Yeah. Then once I click continue, I will see the preview of the video. So you can see the square that I want to use, right? I want to use the square. I don't want the vertical. The vertical cuts my video, so I can play this to see how it's going to be. One, first product, second product, the third product, right? Shop with us, right? So no waste of time. Yes, we are still taking order. Show all the three products, then I'll show the slides, right? You can still change the action. So I just want something that will catch people's attention. Because once it's catch people's attention under 3 seconds, they want to scroll back. But you cannot get people's attention in the first 3 seconds. You just list them, right? So like this one, they will see, they will click link to the WhatsApp. So we'll continue the conversation from there, right? Like how much people even ask for other things. But basically what this app is trying to do is that a reminder that despite the lockdown, so I'm seeing something here that the color of the amount is white, right? It's not actually showing up clearly. So I'll click edit, okay, to take me back there. So let's see that. Um, yeah, found out that color is not. So this is the first scene. So this is second scene. So the color of the amount test color is showing white, which is not good. So yeah, I select green. So and I want all to be the same. So I'm just copying this code, right? Select the second one. So instead of looking for that same color, I'll just paste the code. Number cannot change, right? So I want to have uniform color, right? So I have this, I have this. So like I said, I don't want, I have this back. So I don't want this vertical. I want this. Let's play it again, right? No, this is still showing white, but I just edited it. Okay, let me play this first. So let's see what is going on. If it's actually showing this particular. Oh, it's actually showing on this one, right? Okay. So now I will select this and I will, okay, let me check for the thing. I think I should be able to edit both for this one. So I'm going back to the edit mode again, once again. So let's see that. Uh, First one, position. Okay. And I better make, as a matter of fact, why vertical? Why I selected square? So this is showing on vertical, which I don't like really. So background color of green, text color of white. Let's do that. Green, text color of white. White is F in 0 cases. I know that already. All right. So I guess I understand what is going on here. So it will show on vertical, it will show on square too. So let's see Let me show you the output. So click OK now, it's showing both outputs. Vertical, we have full screen. So these are different area is going to show. If I didn't like the output here, I will go back to the edit and change it, right? Because I will check the way it will look like on Facebook and Instagram here. So if I don't like the way it look like on across platform, I will go back to actually change that. Let's see the final output first. So you see WhatsApp call to action. So I can say short now, right? So that's going to be what's going to be on call to action. Okay. This is still loading. Once it's finished loading, we will have it here, and we have short now. It's loading. But why that is loading, so I can come here now and type the description, okay, that I want for the product. So basically, I don't want too long story. So I can say video project regulate. So support. I'm working on the copy right now. Copy means description. Support immunity. Yeah. So next right now, I have this message. Daily oat full nutrition to help feed, protect, regulate, and nourish yourself for long-lasting health, vitality, and support immunity. Right? So you have this. So this is how it's going to be on Facebook, right? This is how it's going to be on Facebook. The chat in WhatsApp, right? So once they click on it, it's going to the WhatsApp number. Do you understand? Right? Shop now. The message is chat in WhatsApp. So I think somebody wants to join this today. Right? I'm adding in right now. So once it's on, and I need to mention that. Right? So yeah, here right now. So once with this, I'm done. I can click this to see how it look like. I love this. 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 Okay. So that is how it's going to be on Facebook. Then it's going to be on stories too. It's going to be on Instagram and it's going to be on the chat. So what I will do immediately I'm done with all this is just to say confirm. With confirm simply means I just posted this for submission and we'll be waiting for approval, right? So once Facebook approve this, we are done. So that's, and when people click on it, it's landed on WhatsApp. So this is how we run. So one error found, invalid creative objective. The add creative compatibility with this campaign belongs to creative objectives. So let me see. So let me remove this. So around this, let me remove this. So this can be on Facebook, Instagram. Save this now. Let's go back and save now. Invalid creative error. One error found. I'm just trying to understand what that was. So we have this objective. Here we have media placement, Instagram feed. This is Instagram feed, and it's correct. Auto and save it. And still don't get why this is giving us invalid creative objectives. Yeah. Except if there's an error with the 15-second slide. Yeah. I still don't get that. All right. So this is actually the last stage. So once you click confirm, your ad to run. So why this is acting like this, I can clear off. So I clear all and I create another one. Yeah. So the simple means that maybe there's something like on this. So let me choose this. Okay. So I'm just going to use only second. So let me choose this. So make this. Okay. I actually want something that will take up to 4 to 5 minutes. I don't want to make. All right. So let's do this. Let's do this. So I have the first image here. So this is an opportunity. Yes, we still take order. Our first product here, so vitality. Our third product, phyto defense. Okay, and choose shop now. Okay, and I play it to see. Yes, we are still taking order. Yes, we are still taking order. Vitality and so on. Right? So we have this now, and I do save. Basically, we are not supposed to have this too. So I don't know. So I will use this video. Like this, we are done. I'm just trying to see what is wrong with the creative. Yeah, we are done with the ads. Immediately I click confirm, that's the end of the ads. Just wait for approval. That is it. The reason why I'm actually working on this again is because this is a real ad. It's not just for training purpose alone. It's a real ad that is meant to run. So if the same thing happens again, that would be the end of the class why I find out what actually happened. Let's see, still loading. It's almost done. whole food nutrition. Yes, graduate on Facebook, on Instagram, chatting WhatsApp. Um, as I have chatting WhatsApp again, I can still say WhatsApp. But some people, out of that, might still not understand what it is. So chatting WhatsApp. And oh, there's no Facebook detail. I'm not even supposed to activate the Facebook detail for anything. Because I cannot track what is going to my WhatsApp right now. It's messaging, it's not a conversion objective. It's going on. Invalid creative or objective. Oh, so in essence, what this was saying is the picture, the image that we use is not compatible with it. So let me try. So now really maybe Facebook because this is what we're talking about. So I'll click this one. Let me see if there's something. Video, quick video. Let me choose from quick video. If there is deep account video, view, definitely. Video, nothing. Right. So what happened basically right now is Facebook is not accepting the images that I'm using. Yeah, that was it. Let me see what I can do again. So let's go objectives here. It's messaging objective, person for this destination. Oh no, no wonder. It's supposed to be WhatsApp. Yeah, real life startup. Okay. Person for audiences. All these are still very, very correct. I want Facebook to charge like they want. Then I want to spend 15,000. So let me see. Here now, there's no images. Whenever found, please select an image. So I want to do a slideshow. This might be more faster this time around. And I want to choose this and say continue. So the first scene of images, yes. The second scene, the first scene, the second scene. This is an opportunity if you didn't see what I do at this point before. But so if the same complaint happens again, I might need to check that off like that. Basically, this is the process. So I can come in and say, okay, crop this image. Yeah, right? So I can say this one to crop it. Onto the bottom of this. Why am I cropping these images? I want it to actually meet up with the standard. So I crop all the images and these two. The first one, and this I'm just selecting drop now. Okay, it should be done now. So if the same issue of creative or no creative still persists, I might need to do it. Okay. So I'm waiting for it to load. I've already have my primary text before because I've changed. So, yeah. Boom. So we're still waiting for this to load. Once it's finished loading, we'll have it on newsfeed media here, and all I have to do is confirm, and I'm done. We're still waiting for that to load. It's loading. So say this may take 30 seconds to 2 minutes, depending on the network, basically. Um, so like I said, if the same error still persists, and I need to check that open, but that is just uh, the process of running Ada click to WhatsApp. Sometimes there might be some system error and some other things, but when you are running, it's going to be this one. Still waiting for it to load. I guess that's almost finished loading. Yeah, it is. It is. So once it's finished loading here right now, all I need to do is confirm because I'm done with this chatting WhatsApp description. So this is how the video is expected to play on Facebook. Then this is how it's supposed to be on Facebook. Then on Instagram, this is how it's expected to display on Instagram. Then I can do confirm and we're done. Hopefully there's no chain of error this time around. One error from shooting schedule isn't consistent with radio. If you then schedule. So schedule talk to the me when you want to run the ads. So 4 days. So let me check this advance. schedule. Say start today. I don't understand what you mean by consistently. When press if. I said start today. So today is, let me see, today is 16. And, this is 11, so I can say 12. I guess this is some of the 2,000. Budget, part-time budget, 15,000. Let's see what's it now. Down. Wow. Anytime you see stuff like schedule, that's to do with your the day you want to run the apps. So that's actually the problem, right? So sometimes it will happen like that. When you add something like creating something in the images you are using, maybe you need to crop it to the recommended optimized. So when you have things like budget or schedule, the thing is the system still not getting when you want the ad to start running and when you want it to run end. That's what I do. So like this now, this ad is scheduled immediately is active. You see the ad is active. So this is how simple to run ad that go to WhatsApp. And in this case, we use slideshow and I also tested for audience, people in people in Imo, people in Lagos and Abuja, 4 different audiences to see what it is. So initially now I said 15,000 naira, but depending on how good the ads perform, I need to increase the money as it is. So this is how to run the ads segment. Thank you for watching, and this video is going to the replay is going to be on YouTube for you to watch anytime. Just make any question and answer. You can still get through me on WhatsApp 08026298030. Thank you for watching.